Good evening, YouTube. Bill number 3 down in the Carolinas again. With this same amp back up here that I done a video on earlier. We done went through it. Put all new HGs in it. Got some of the junk out of it. This junk come out of it. It was 3 PP100s and one 492, I think, MRF. In the 4-pill stage. We got all HGs in there now. Retuned it. Put it back together. Cleaned it up. And shoot a little clay over top of that. And put some attenuation on it, which didn't really need it, but the guy's going to drive this thing with a Connex radio. I think it's 4300 something other. So I put that on there. And yeah, the heat sink kind of starts right along in here. It goes back. So I don't know who put the heat sink in, but it looks like at one time this was a 2x4. But I don't know why they slid that up there. But anyways, let's get on with the show before my phone goes dead. Got a nice camera, but it's got a heating issue for some reason. It don't want to run right. Stock Curva 29. Feed through watts going back towards the radio. It's 5-watt slug in that. Audio don't even move. Turn the amp on. Reflect going back towards the radio. Like I said, 5-watt slug going there. Audio. Alright, 50-watt slug out. That's reversed back from the antenna. And this is 1000-watt slug here. Up to this meter right there. This is in peak. Audio. A little over 800. Like I said, it's a stock radio. Don't do a whole lot, plus it has got some attenuation in it. Take it off, put it on RMS, 1000-watt slug. Audio, around 300. And I ain't even gonna hook the radio up. I ain't got the microphone hooked up on it. I've been redoing this bench, so I ain't got everything up and running before I got to get done. I got let's see, a 3-pill, which is there, another amp, 16-pill, 4 or 5 others, a 4-pill laying over there. I got about 4 or 5 others, but this one was supposed to be a quick and easy job, and the guy lives close by. I get paid right quick, so I went on and threw this one out there. And like I said, that's all I do is put 4 new transistors in it. Just clean it all up, retune of it, then put new power wires on it, little this, little that. Got it up and going. Like I said, it's doing pretty good. Oh, it's over 300. And with my other radio right there, it'll do well over, it'll do close to 5 on RMS, but these are one of these very good peak radios. Audio, over 800. Well over 800. I'm pretty sure with the radio he's going to drive on, it'll do a lot more. But doing real good. I think I showed it. 5-watt slug reverse going back towards the radio, so the audio input looks real good. Audio. So everything looking real good. Alright, appreciate it. Have a good one. Later.